If you don't agree, you're heartless. Appeal to emotion fallacy. You're in a debate. Someone presents a claim. You ask for evidence. Instead of facts, they say, "People are dying. How can you argue right now?" That's the appeal to emotion, a logical fallacy that replaces reasoning with feelings. The goal isn't to persuade your mind, it's to overwhelm your heart. And it works. We're wired for empathy. We cry at movies, donate after disasters, feel guilt over things we didn't cause. But in arguments, emotions can blur the line between what feels right and what actually is. Examples? Guilt. Every minute you hesitate, another child suffers. Guilt tripping instead of showing how your help actually helps. Fear. A politician warns, "If we don't pass this bill, you'll lose your job and your home." Fear over evidence. Scary, but is it true? Love. If you cared about me, you'd agree with me. That's not reasoning. That's not love. That's emotional blackmail. Pride. Real patriots never question this, appealing to national pride instead of presenting evidence. Shame. Only a coward would disagree, trying to embarrass you into silence. Tribal loyalty. You're one of us. How can you take their side? That's not logic. That's group pressure. To be clear, emotions matter. They give context, urgency, humanity. But when used instead of logic, they become distractions. Imagine a courtroom where the prosecution just shows the grieving family. Powerful? Yes. But without proof, is that justice? Good arguments don't need emotional shortcuts. They let facts speak and let emotions follow naturally. So next time someone tries to win an argument by pulling your heartstrings, take a breath. Ask yourself, is this a point or just a punch to the gut? You're not cold. You're just thinking clearly. Next, when someone says the burden is on you, meet the prove me wrong fallacy.
Think critically, see clearly. Searchlighter.